Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock everything in Tomodachi Life Living the Dream using a Nintendo Switch eShop code. This includes island builder buildings, gifts, wishing fountain items, travel tours, costumes, and a lot more. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to do. Before we get started, make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more guides, tips, and methods like this. With that said, let's get straight into it. First things first, grab your phone and open up your browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, or whatever browser you normally use. Once that's open, head over to twistycoupons.com. When you land on the site, search for Tomodachi Life, tap on it, and you will be taken to a page with some details about the offer. You'll see a counter showing how many codes are left, so don't take too long. These tend to go pretty fast. Now, once you click into the offer, you'll notice that the code is locked. Don't worry, unlocking it is really simple. All you need to do is complete 2 quick sponsor offers. These are completely free and don't require any payment, subscriptions, or anything shady. The tasks are usually super easy, like downloading a free app and opening it, playing a mobile game and reaching a certain level, or trying out a VPN for a short time. Most of the time, this takes about 5 to 10 minutes max. Once you've completed 2 offers, head back to the site, and your Tomodachi code should unlock automatically. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Sometimes it just needs a moment to sync. You can also complete 1 extra offer just to be safe. After that, simply copy the code, go to Nintendo eShop, paste the code in, and that's it. You now have everything unlocked in Tomodachi Life, including island builder buildings, gifts, wishing fountain items, travel tours, costumes, and a lot more. It's honestly super simple, and it actually works. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you run into any issues or have questions, just let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.